Good afternoon, everybody. Man Steve here once again. Hope everybody is having an excellent week. Spring is finally here, and I know that many of you are looking forward to it now, and I know that I am because this year is going to be all about all kinds of activities and all kinds of stuff that I'm planning on getting on my channel very soon. And like I said, I'm pretty sure you all know and understand that I've been very busy with work, and I've actually been working around the yard here these past few days. And this is this is what I've been working on so far. This is what me and my family have been working on this past couple of weeks. This is a strawberry field, and are uh, there are the other uh, crops there in the back, soon to be crops. We're gonna plant some vegetables, some tomatoes, and cucumbers, and all kinds of good stuff later on within weeks to come. We've got this finished yesterday. There's a sprinkler there in the middle that we're using to to keep the strawberry plants healthy. So this is what we've been doing. This is our this is our old populip tree here, and it's still blooming. Not exactly sure if you could see it, but this is one of the first trees to come and bloom, even in the winter time. I don't think that I had ever seen one of these trees before, at least not that I can remember from my old residence. But it's a really beautiful tree, and I'm not exactly sure when it'll be, but this should be fully bloomed very soon as well. Um, we've got a lot of projects here in the yard, and planting a lot. We're gonna plant some flowers here and over there. No blooms on the trees as of yet, but it shouldn't be too much longer. Temperatures have been warming up here. It's probably been getting up to an average of 75 degrees. Actually, I think that's how warm it got today. And nights are still a lot cooler. Um, haven't yet to see have not yet to see the last of the cold weather as of yet. And these are some peach trees that that we also planted the other day. Over here, both of them are peach trees. And here are some wildflowers that we also planted around this tree here. So the yard's going to be looking beautiful this year. So hopefully within months to come. I'm still gonna be very, busy, keeping up with work and still working on, trying to find us a place of our own. It's really going to take a lot of time. Had a lot going on. Still going to get as many videos of more fan repairs, and I also have more fan restorations coming up. I also have the Hunter box fan and my little Westinghouse table fan. Those are going to be upcoming projects. I may even be repainting the box fan that I recorded the video of yesterday. So, and I also am going to be doing even more videos of other outdoor projects as well, as the garden, as the crops progressively start to grow. I will be making videos of those and even taking pictures. I even have a digital camera that I got for Christmas that I have not used yet, and just all kinds of different things that I have planned. Just need to have the time to do so, and it's going to be ever so often when I can get back to doing my weekly streaming again. So, well, it is a gorgeous been a gorgeous evening out here. There's a beautiful sunset there in the back, and it's been a lot warmer today. Hasn't been too cool at all, just pleasant. And just had got a lot to get on my channel again. So, well, there you go, everybody. Thought that I would just give everybody a quick update on future projects, and also an update on spring projects and restorations. It's going to be a while if I can get any more fans, even if I do manage to come across one. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get another one like offline right now anyway. But whatever happens. So, well, there you go, everybody. There is a quick little update on future spring projects, and I hope that you all have a good week. And I will be getting more videos uploaded in due time. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow or if it'll be sometime earlier next week, but it'll be at least about 2 videos, maybe even 3, that I'll be able to upload at least about once or twice a week. So, well, there you go, everybody. You all have a good evening, and I will see you all later, and have a good weekend, and bye-bye.